Good.
Good.
Yeah.
क्या करूचे? Can you understand me? New Year दो क्या करूचे?
Firecrackers and cartoons. What did you do? Don't remember.
I had a party.
Your party. Very
Yeah.
good. Very good. What exactly did you get in the party to eat?
Say that.
Cake, crisps, and pizza.
Okay. Okay. No Kashmiri dish. No Kashmiri dish.
A Kashmiri dish. The evening.
In the evening.
What was
What
it?
did you get? Rogan Josh? What did you get?
Rogan Josh.
Rogan.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. We'll wait for a couple of more minutes for others if any more people are joining. In the meantime, we'll talk to Viha. Viha, what did you do on the New Year?
After New Year's, I went to my aunt's house.
Okay.
In the evening, me and my cousin brother were playing a lot. We went outside because we had a toy bow and arrow that we got for Christmas. We aimed that at the fence because that's what my aunt allows us to do.
Okay.
Also, there was a table that they prepared outside for snack and dinner.
Good.
We had whipped cream pretzel.
Okay. Okay. Anybody, Viha, anybody you could talk to that evening in Kashmiri that day?
नमस्कार मारा
Yes. I said no very true back to my aunt.
Okay, good, good.
नमस्कार मारा
नमस्कार।
मुझसे सांची रहना सॉरी बस लेट
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. Thank you. Welcome, Sanchi. Okay, just one information for all of you. Actually, today, as Chunu Masterji Theek, he is not well, and he has told me to conduct the class today. I hope you'll enjoy the class with me. Okay. So we'll have some fun today. Okay. Good. I think we can start now. Give me 1 minute. So where we are here, we today हम लोग आज lesson 8 करेंगे.
Sir, I can't hear you.
Pardon?
Could you please raise your voice?
Okay. You can't hear me.
No, I can't. I mean, your voice.
Everybody has a difficulty with my voice.
ना मारा
It's a little slow.
Namara.
Okay. मैंने तब तैमाशु आइते ना वॉल्यूम कम तो एक पन्निस लैपटॉप पर थोड़ा आवाज थोड़ा बोल.
Highest volume aspect. I'll try. I'll check it out.
Okay. क्या
Volume should high. Maximum. अच्छा आप कंटिन्यू करिए कोई बात नहीं it's all right आप कंटिन्यू करिए कोई बात नहीं.
Okay. So lesson 8 will start today. Lesson 8. So first thing what we will do आज क्या करेंगे कि हम थोड़ा रिवाइज करेंगे हमने क्या क्या पहले सीखा था. Who will be the first to join to
Mahara ne.
Haji?
Sanchi Rena.
Oh, okay, Sanchi.
Mahara, I can.
Sure, sure, sure.
Mahara. Stand. Thodwat. Sleep. Shong.
Sure. Okay, second one.
Vicky. Yes. That Sanjay had gone. He said he's trying to call you. I said.
Okay. Urmila ji, please mute
Mahara,
when you are
can
talking
I?
to somebody.
Sorry,
Uh,
sorry.
No Mara, Keshan Papi. So who
Mahara,
will
can I
be
do the
next?
next one?
Yeah,
Mahara
sure,
Arjun.
sure. Yeah, Arjun, please go ahead.
Chew, Sapun, Cook, Ranun. Cook,
Very nice,
Ranun.
very nice. Apurva, can you tell us what is this?
Yeah. So sweep is Duhun
Hmm?
and fly is Wurun.
Very good, very good. Very good. And okay, Adya, can you tell me what is this?
Open is Mutsravan and right is Lekun.
Oh, fantastic, fantastic. I think that's wonderful. You are remembering everything. Fine. And what about Shubhangi? Shubhangi, can you tell us next thing?
Yes, sir. Drive is Chalavun
Uh,
and wash is Chalun.
okay, wash is chalu. Very good. Very good.
Thank
And then next one, who will say Rajul? Can you tell us what is distribute and guide?
सर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट को कहेंगे बगरावन
Very
और
good.
राइट को हम कहेंगे सवर करुण
Savair karu. Savair karu.
सवेर
Very,
करुण
very good. Peel. Deepika.
Oh.
Deepika, are you there? Okay.
May I?
Yeah, sure, sure. Please go ahead.
पील यानी दियल तुलुन
Very good.
और होल्ड थफ करियन
Tough curry. Curry. N and
Curry.
Y. आप शर्माली जी आप रोमन में लिखते हैं कि देवनागरी में?
नहीं देवनागरी.
अच्छा, okay then. Year. N and year. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now we will go for revision. Give the meaning of 2 sentences each student. Okay. Mukta, can you tell us what is this? Mukta, can everybody put
So,
his
Mr.
video on? It will be easy for me to look at you. सब लोग अपना वीडियो चालू
Sir, I
करें.
will start my video in. I'll start my video in 5 minutes, and
Sure.
I cannot uh, I cannot remember the word for sit down or
Sit
eat
down.
food.
Mahara,
Okay.
can I?
I'm really very
Yeah, who is it? Arjun,
Ahan Mahara.
when you go ahead.
Sit down to Pathar Behan, Pathar Behun, and eat food is Batkyun.
Very good, very good, very good. Sit down, or this also can mean sit down means pathar beh. Pathar beh. If we tell somebody pathar, sit down, that means we are telling him pathar beh. And eat food go batkhe.
बतखे.
Okay. Okay. And Ashish, can you tell us this? Open the book. Ashish,
किताब
open the book.
गशों.
Open the book. दीपिका जी आप बोल रही हैं?
So I
Open the
have
book.
Yes sir, yes sir.
बोलिए.
Open the book. किताब मचराव.
Okay.
Go sleep.
sleep.
Gat shong.
Very good. Very good. Nice. Then we'll go to next. Come down, Mukta ji.
वाला year.
Come down.
पत्थर ही.
No. Born was.
Born was.
Come down. Is born was.
Okay.
Close the door.
Dar kar band.
बढ़कर बंद.
Very good. Very good. Nice. Divyanshi, switch on the light.
Bijli Zal.
Bijli Zal. Very good. Lay the carpet.
Sir, Divyanshi.
हाँ बोले बेटा. Lay the carpet.
Kalin Bharav.
Curly, not Kalin. Curly. Kalin हिंदी में बोलते हैं.
Kalin Bharav.
Vara. Very good. Very good. Very nice.
Sir, can
Okay, Asta, can you tell us what is this? Give me water.
Sir, give me water. May they pond trash.
See, one thing. Give me water means give me the point. Or if it is for purpose of drinking water, so then it is Meditresh. Okay, these are two different. Point and trash are two different words, but can be used depending on what is the use of the water. Okay, and sit on the chair.
Kursi pet be.
Very good.
Hagbu bane to
Can Vatsal but roll market for Pandit 7 से.
एक मिनट वत्सल, एक मिनट रुको बेटा. सांची 2 मिनट रुको. लेट वत्सल आंसर, फिर उसके बाद बोलो वत्सल बेटा. गिव मी ए रुपी. हाँ शाबाश, बोलो बेटा वत्सल. आता है आपको? आपकी आवाज कट रही है.
जो मैं रोपाए.
मेरे आँख रोपाए. A means one.
मेरे आँख रोपाए.
मेरे आँख रोपाए. Very good.
मेरे आँख रोपाए.
Go to market. बोलो बेटा.
गस बाजार.
बाजार गस.
बाजार गस.
Bazar gats. Okay, Shravan, can you tell me this, Shravan?
वापस ये follow लगाओ.
Very good. Excellent. Very nice. Now, do you know all these relations? No, we have not studied them. Okay. These are very close relations.
लास्ट वीक में वासम पे में हफ्ते मास्टर जी अग्ज कर में थी.
चलो कोई बात नहीं. No issue. I will go again with them. Now tell me, this is paternal uncle. Paternal uncle means, can anybody read? Anybody can read this? Viha can. एक मिनट बेटा, एक मिनट. I'll tell. Let me ask, and then you raise the hand, but let me ask. Viha, you didn't tell anything. Viha, can you? What is this written? Viha, can you read this?
Pencil. Peter.
How you read with Roman, or you read with Devanagari?
Devanagari.
Yes, Devanagari.
This is Peter. And who studies in Roman? Anybody here?
Me.
Okay, can you read this? Can you read this properly there?
सर दिव्यांशी
हाँ बोलो दिव्यांशी बेटा बोलो.
73
73. See, just one difference here. You must just remember because the Roman is little difficult. So what you write is E, and this is a right to left slanting line on top. That means tether. And if it is, this is pether, and U and a cap means ter. That is how we write this ter with the Vichandra at the bottom. Okay, okay. Just for what is this paternal aunt? Who will read this? Sanchi, will you read this?
Sir, Maharaj said,
Bolo Sanchi.
and Mara. Paternal aunt Shuvanan Pechuin.
Pechain. Now for the Roman, those who want to study in Roman, the n and y. This is n superscript I. Remember this. Superscript I. It is not I directly. So this gives the same. This is the same thing as n and y. N ada or y pura. Okay. Maternal uncle. Adya, can you read this? Go ahead. Very good.
Mom.
Very good. You are reading in Devanagari?
No.
Nine.
Roman.
Roman. Very good. I like Roman. We have same pitch in here. Okay. I also write a lot of things in Kashmiri, but in Roman. Someday we'll share something after the end of the class. One day I'll share something with you what I have translated into Roman with the help of Master Ji. Okay. Maternal aunt. Maternal aunt. Shravan.
Maternal aunt. Mom.
Moming.
Mine.
Moming.
Mom, like it is mom. It is mom only first three. Then it is n and y is mamain. Mamain. Very good. Very nice. So after mom, grandfather. Arjun, Arush, can you tell us something about this? Can you read this? Arush?
Sure. Budibab.
Budibab. Very good. Again, the and ada or ada year is dear.
Sir, can Vatsal say?
Beta, I will tell you that. Okay, sure. Budibab. Okay. Grandmother. Vatsal, can you tell me this about grandmother?
No.
I can't hear you properly. Again, can you speak properly?
9.
9. Very good. Perfect. Harshita?
Yes.
Can you read this? Paternal uncle's son?
Pitur boy.
Very clearly spoken. Very nicely spoken. Correct. Paternal uncle's daughter, Deepika?
Pitr Benya.
Pitr Benya. Pitr.
Benya.
No. Pitra nahi hai. It is, if it was Pitra, then it would be Tra. It is not. It is Pitr. Pitr Benya. Again, speak please.
Pitr Benya.
Again, you are saying Pitra. Pitra nahi hai. Pitr. Once again. Pitr. Very good. Pitr Benya. Very good.
Pitr Benya.
Okay. Maternal uncle's son, Mukta ji.
Ji. Mamatur boy.
Very good. Very clearly spoken. Shamli ji. Shamli ji.
Mamatur Benny.
Mamtur Beni. Very good. Very nicely spoken. So now homework. Write down all these relations in English plus translation. That means in Devanagari, in Kashmiri Devanagari or Kashmiri Roman, and in your notebook, and read them and send your audios to Kusum Varikuji at this number. Okay, latest by 5 p.m. on Wednesday. Understood? So it's clear.
Sir,
What you need to do is write down all these relations which we just now studied, and with the English word and the equivalent Kashmiri word either in Devanagari or in Roman, and also make a video on how to pronounce these words and send these to Kusum Varikuji on this number, latest by 5 p.m. on Wednesday. Okay? Clear? I think it's very clear.
sir,
Now,
which word is used for close relations in Kashmiri?
close relations means, you tell me. Which close?
Ashna.
Give me a particular. That is relations. Ashnav is relations. Nazdiki relation means Nazdiki rishtedar means close relations. But generally, हम नाम बोलते हैं किसी relation का, particular like we studied the grandmother, nan, या buddy bab, whatever it is. But if you want one word for close relations, good. Nazdiki rishtedar, rishtedar. Okay.
Rishtedar. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Small sentences too. We'll do this now. This is something that we'll be doing first time. We'll start with Viha now. Tell me. Viha, just repeat after me. Tell me. Mevan.
Mevan.
You are muted, I think. Viha, are you muted? Viha, can you read this? Mevan.
Mevan.
Very good, very good. Mevan. Okay. So again, I'm saying Mevan. So here you must remember, it is not Mevan. It is not normally the full. It is a ये जो ऊपर में ये एक सर्प आकार की ऊपर लिखा है, ठीक है? It is not a straight. It is not Mevan. It is Mevan. Who are you? Apurva ji, can you read this?
Tsakushchuk.
Tsakushchuk. Very good. Very nicely written. And those for those who like Adya who read in Roman, TS means th, and U with the top cap means th. Okay, and kus is very easy, and ch is given by CHH, that is ch, and U and is u, and KH is kh. So chuk. Okay, so for the people who want to learn in Roman. Okay, go out. Arush, can you read this, please?
Never near.
You are reading in Roman. Or Roman? Okay, very nicely said. Okay, Rajulji, can you read the next one? Keep singing. We can't hear you, Rajulji.
Sorry, sir. I forgot to unmute myself. Keep singing.
No problem.
Gavin Rose.
Gavan Rose. Van. Gavan Rose.
Gavan Rose.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, and show your tongue. Asta.
Pernan Zawha.
Very good. You are reading in Devanagari?
Yes, sir.
Very nicely spoken. Read this book. Pratima ji?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you read this?
Yes, sir. Read this book. ये किताब पर.
ये किताब पर.
ये किताब पर।
Very nice. Okay. Read this book. ये किताब पर. Okay. Then, sorry, show your tongue. I think we missed this. Arvind, can you tell?
Mahara, we have done that.
Okay, you have done that. Okay. Who is he?
Sukuschu.
Sukuschu. He means su. Sukuschu. Okay. Ya hukuschu. Su or hu. Both mean the same thing. Okay. Hukuschu ya sukuschu. Who generally within the range where you can see somebody, or sukushu, you may not be able to see him, but we can refer to him. Okay. Sukushu.
Sorry, I have a
Today,
question.
yeah, please.
With who, is that still the male form of?
Yes, it is male.
Okay.
Generally, sukushu.
The difference between sukus and hukus?
Just mental. Sukushu, swakoscha. If it was lady, female, we would say swakoscha. This is little unisex type of word. Hukushu. Okay. Haji, you were saying something. Muktaji, sorry.
No, sir, I was asking what is the difference between su and hukus?
I'm not able to hear you. Your voice is breaking actually.
Hello? Am I audible?
Yeah, now you are audible. बोलिए. मुक्ता जी बोलिए अभी. We can't hear you. Okay, today is Sunday. Harshita ji.
आज आतवार.
आतवार, very good. आज कुछ दोच वैसे अगर if you remember which is the day today, what would we call that?
आज बटवार.
Today, आज बटवार. Very good. We have learned that. Very nice. Get your book. Shalmali ji, sorry. Shalmali ji, get your book. Shalmali ji, can you hear me? Okay, Alvin, can you tell me?
Sorry, sir.
Panne kitab an.
Panain kitab an. Panain kitab an. Shalmali ji, I'll give you the next one. Where is Pinky? Can you read this? Shalmali ji, can you read this?
Yes, sir. Pinky katichi.
Katichi. Katichi.
Katichi.
Yes. Okay, Rajul ji, can you help us with the next sentence? It is raining.
It is raining. Ruchupyavan.
Very nice. For Arush. Arush, can you tell us?
Yes, sir. Which one?
It is snowing.
Shinchipyavan.
Shinchipyavan. Very nice. What are the plants? Asta?
Kulan de sag.
Kulan de sag. Sag means when you are watering the plant, there's a typical word for that. That is sag. Okay.
Sir, what we call plants in Kashmiri?
Kul. Kul means generally trees are called kul, but when you refer to the complete say जब हम सभी पेड़ों की बात करें छोटे या बड़े तो हम कुल ही बोलते हैं सबको. Kul. That means more than one. Kul. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Adya, can you read with the next one, beta?
Wait.
This one.
But the tayar.
Oh, can you hear? Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
So loud and clear. Atchitayar.
Patchetaya.
I think he's frozen.
Oh. Bad timing. Bad timing. Just when you had to say it. Can you hear me okay? Okay, so I think Sir is gone.
I'm sure he'll reconnect if he can. Right, it's coming back.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, sorry. Actually, were you able to hear me? I lost your connection in between.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, you froze. You froze.
Okay, I have just logged in from my mobile now. I think there is some issue with the PC. Adya, you were answering me. Is the food ready?
Patchetaya.
Batcha tayar. Batcha
Taya.
tayar. Okay. Okay.
Ashuna, I can't on the screen.
You are not able to see my screen? Okay, just give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I'll log off and I'll log in again. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay. Maybe Mama not hearing it.
Just give me 1 minute.
Batchataya. Batchataya.
Patchetaya.
Okay, give me 1 minute. I'm having some issue with the PC. Looks like it has got done.
ये तो एक करियो लॉगिन लॉग आउट तो एक करियो अच्छे शेयर स्क्रीन ऑप्शन बंद क्या इसकी
Okay.
शेयर स्क्रीन ऑप्शन छुई बंद
Okay, beta, 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I'll log in once again. Okay, I'm back. Okay. I will log out from my mobile.
Okay. Now I'll come back.
Can you see me? See my screen now?
हमारा
Huh?
Namara.
Okay, just 1 minute. I'll try again. Can you
Mahara tuhin voice che echo basan.
मारा तो एक करियो म्यूट पनुन सेल्फ फ्रॉम योर वन साइड
So screen आ गई है. Screen आ गई है.
आगे it's clear now?
हमारा
Namara. Oh, sorry. Kya? Sure. Good.
Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Now we have done this. We went through this. We have done this. We were here and Adya was saying something about this last sentence. Adya, is food ready?
बच्चा तैयार.
Very good. बच्चा तैयार. Okay. Then iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. Shubhangi ji, can you tell us?
पापाच्या अमत. पहलवान कर कुंडे.
Kundin. Kund.
Okay.
Palwar ka kund. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Then we'll go again. Papa has come.
Sir,
we have-
Divyanshi.
Okay, Divyanshi, बोलिए. Papa has come.
Papa chu mut.
Papa chu?
Papa chu mut.
Mut. Okay. Sit down here.
Good.
Sit down here. Arjun?
Ahan mara. Yetet beh pathar.
Here means yetet.
Yetet beh pathar.
Beh pathar. Okay. Get well soon.
क्या बस
Apurva ji?
Jal guts teak.
Jalgas theek. Jal means quickly, get soon. And theek means get well. Okay. Now, homework is select 8 sentences from the above. Write both English and Kashmiri translation on notebook and send your audio to Kusum Warikuji like earlier. So, इसमें से आपको 8 ही सेंटेंस चूज करने हैं. वो इंग्लिश में लिखना है और कश्मीरी में लिखना है और या रोमन में लिखना है. ओके. और वो कुसुम वारिकू जी को भेजना है. ओके. Body parts. Okay, today we'll start another new topic, which is body parts. Hair. Hair means muss. Hair means
मस.
and head means
Color.
color.
Deck.
next is forehead is
Deck.
Here d and year, it's a conjunct which we have learned in the beginning.
Yeah.
D and year, when we write, it is D with a dot at the bottom for the Roman people and E with a cap. It is deck. Okay. Face, Shubhangi ji. Both. Arush. I.
Yes, sir.
I.
Urge.
Okay.
Urge. Okay, sir.
Okay. So urge.
Urge.
Okay. Then ear. We have ear. What is it? Kan. Very nice. Nose. Evelyn. Nas. Very good. Mouth.
Sir, can Vatsal say?
Pardon? हाँ जी, बोलो बेटा, क्या बोल रहे हैं? बोलिए.
Sir, can Vatsal say?
I will
7 roll number.
हाँ, मैं आपको बोल दूंगा और देन आप बोल लीजिए. कोई बात नहीं. ओके.
ठीक है सर.
माउथ. राजुल जी, इसको क्या बोलेंगे? कैसे पढ़ेंगे? एंड टंग. श्रवण जी कैसे पढ़ेंगे? श्रवण. क्या?
Zel.
Very nice. It is Zel. Okay, which is the next one? Mouth, tongue,
Mara
no?
lips.
Lips. Okay, lips. Okay.
So can Vatsal?
Yeah. Okay, Vatsal जी बेटा बोलिए. बोलिए. Tongue.
Lips.
Lips क्या हो गया?
The tongue. Zev. Tongue. Zev.
Lips.
Lips. Vote.
Very nice. Very nice. Wood. Arjun. Next.
Teeth, dant.
Done. Teeth done. Okay. Chin. Chin. Next one. Arush.
Yes, sir.
Chin.
Hungen.
Hongain.
Hungen.
Hongain. Hongain. H and V. H आधा और V. H. ऊपर में dot न g n y. Again for Roman, n and u, n and y together is always written as n is the preceding letter, that is n, and I with a superscript. So always remember this. It is very, very important to write this. Listen, learn this, okay? And throat. Asta?
Hot.
Hot. Very good. Okay. Neck.
Sir,
हाँ बोलिए बेटा. बोलिए बेटा. Hot. I'm not able to hear you. बोलिए. Okay. Neck. शिवांगी जी.
Yes, sir. कर या गर्दन.
सर आप एक और बारी सचिन.
Sure. I will now. I will not ask anybody. I will speak myself only. Just learn once. Body parts 1. Hair means mass. Head means color. Forehead means jacka. Face means booth. You can also repeat in the muted condition with me after I said. Forehead jacka. Face booth. Eye ach. Ear kan. Please mute yourself. जो आपस में बात कर रहे हैं, please mute yourself. Ear kan. Nose nas. Nas. Mouth us. Tongue zev. सांची आप नहीं रिपीट कर रहे हो, मेरे को पता है आपको पता है, लेकिन आप रिपीट नहीं कर रहे हो. लिप्स वुड. टीथ दंत. चिन हंगाइन. थ्रोट होट. नेक कर. या गर्दन. Very good. So homework है, remember above parts of the body. We will ask you to point to them on your body in the next class. Okay? It is easy. If you want me, anybody wants me to repeat anything out of this, tell me.
No, sir.
Everybody is clear?
No.
Can I then close my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just.
I think there was a question in the chat.
Just 1 minute. Question in the chat. Okay, I will just log into that. Please give me a minute. Okay. Actually, because of this some issue, I was not able to read messages. Just give me 1 minute. Look at. I don't see any message. Can you repeat? Anybody has seen that
Mahara, I think when you rejoin the chat might have gotten erased.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If there is anybody who has a question, please tell me. I will answer that question.
I reposted the question from Mukta.
May
Okay, okay.
from
Hukushu. Okay, what you wanted to know, Mukta ji, बोलिए.
Yes, sir. Am I audible now?
Yeah, you are clearly audible. बोलिए.
Okay.
It means
So
it
I
means
was
the same
asking
thing.
what is the
Yeah,
difference?
yeah, it is the same. But as I told you, Hukushu means somebody whom you can see. He's in your line of sight. You can say who, somebody away from there. You can say Hukushu. Who is there, Hukushu.
Oh, okay.
And Sukushu means he may not be in your
Okay.
line of sight. आप उनको देख नहीं पा रहे हो तो भी उसको बोलते हैं. किसी को रेफर हम करते हैं, किसी के बारे में बोलते हैं तो बोलते हैं Hukushu, Sukushu. Okay? Am I clear,
Okay.
Mukta ji?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
This is a difference. Anybody
Yes,
has any other
yes,
question?
yes.
Anybody has any
Namara.
other question?
Anmara.
Namara.
Anmara.
Shalma. Okay. You anybody who has question now? I think I was not visible. Sorry.
Anmara.
Okay. Anybody?
Aksaval Marachu.
Whenever.
The mushroom. Savar karo. What's the difference?
The Pamaracha Uchigana Mushrap Banania Mushid go. As which Uttar Washrap like as was near Lafas
Worship to mushrabs go आप चीज़ों में worship go की mushrab go की if you have forgotten something. मेरे को कोई चीज़ याद थी जैसे हम लेसन पढ़ते हैं तो उसको हमको पता है कि हम भूल गए वो word, so that is वो mushrab हो गया. Worship means I inadvertently forgot something or did not say something. It was a mistake on my part. It is not forgetting. It is a mistake. It is worship. Worship means that. Okay.
Acha Mara. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Anybody else?
I see
Asta,
that.
anything?
Worship means? I just forgot to do something. So you gave me a list. I forgot what it was. I forgot to ask you. That's worship. But if you forgot the words that you remembered already, that's worship. Tam, see the difference?
Very well said, Sandeep ji. Very well said. Explained. और कोई है? Let me go one by one. Viha, anything? आपको कुछ चाहिए? Anything you want to know?
No.
On today's lesson? Adia, anything?
No.
Very good. Apurva ji, anything? Arjun?
Namara.
Shubhangi ji?
No, sir. Thank you.
Arush, anything?
Namara समझ आ गए.
Okay. Shravan, anything else?
No, Mara. Thank you, Mara.
Asha? Astha, sorry.
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Sanchi, कुछ आपको पूछना है बेटा?
Namara.
Evelyn?
No, sir. Thank you.
Rajul?
No, sir. Everything is clear.
And Divya? Vatsal, आपको कुछ पूछना है?
No, sir.
Pratima ji?
No, sir. Thank you.
Sorry, Pratima ji. I think I missed asking you anything. So I think next time I'll remember that.
Okay, sir.
Mukta ji, आपको और कुछ?
No, sir.
Okay, Deepika ji, nothing, anything?
No, sir. Thank you.
Ashish, anything?
No, thank you, sir.
Shalmali ji, anything else?
No, thank you.
Okay, I will do one thing. Let us do one thing. I'll give one assignment. Master ji to assignment दे दिया lesson 8 में. I'll give you one assignment. आप एक काम करेंगे सब बच्चे जो हमने पहले लेसन में या पहले 2-3 लेसन में वॉवेल्स पढ़े थे, स्पेशल वॉवेल्स. आपको याद है how many special vowels Kashmiri language has? Anybody can answer?
Mara
Very good.
A and O.
Okay. So what I'm saying that अगली बार सब जो भी क्लास में हैं बच्चे बड़े वो एक काम करेंगे वो इसके ऊपर how to use those special vowels उसके बारे में 2 वर्ड याद करके बताएंगे मेरे को, ओके? मास्टर जी होंगे तो मास्टर जी को बताना कि मैंने ये असाइनमेंट दिया था, याद करा देना उनको। अगर तब तक नहीं होंगे तो मैं होऊंगा, तो फिर देन विल डू दैट, ओके?
मारा तून मतलब छो कि अस छो सो सॉरी स्पेशल वॉवल्स हुन ज वर्ड्स लेखुन तो वानुन नेक्स्ट क्लासेस मंथ।
यस यस, बिल्कुल क्लियर, बिल्कुल क्लियर, ओके? हर कोई नहीं, हर एक स्पेशल वॉवल के लिए मतलब याद करना। मैं सभी किसी किसी को 2 पूछूंगा, किसी को दूसरा वॉवल पूछूंगा, किसी को तीसरा, सो दैट टुगेदर वी कैन गेट टुगेदर, वी कैन लर्न दिस ऑल 6 स्पेशल वॉवल। मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ आप सबको क्योंकि ये ही सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, जो कश्मीरी और जनरल हिंदी या देवनागरी में जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन करते हैं उसी में यही सिर्फ डिफरेंस है। So if you learn, if you can speak this properly, then you are the best. You know Kashmiri language, you can speak Kashmiri language. You may be knowing how to read language, but when you are able to pronounce these words properly, that is when you will know that you have learned to speak and pronounce Kashmiri correctly. Okay? Everybody agrees with me? Will be ready?
बिल्कुल महाराज।
Okay, I will. My screen is now not shared. I'm right.
Yes.
Okay. Anything else? Anything else? Achha, I want only one more question. One more question. Here, on the New Year day, Naivaruk do Kashir put kya korotai? Askar chosan no worry. Askar chosan no worry. Kashirin kar chosan no worry. Anybody can tell me? Raise a hand. Raise a hand. Okay. Acha, Viha is saying Navare. I think Sandeep was also raising hand. Yes. Anybody else? Sandeep boliye. Shravan ji boliye.
Navare.
Navare. Arush also was saying Navare. Correct? Okay. Now you tell me one more thing. Okay. Good. Navare. Now you have to tell me which is the most important Kashmiri festival now coming now very soon. Very soon.
शिवरात्रि।
वेरी गुड, वेरी। शिवरात्रि जनरली हिंदी में बोलते हैं और हम लोग कश्मीरी में हेरत बोलते हैं। क्या बोलते हैं? हेरत। अच्छा, one more question before we conclude. Can anybody tell me बर्थडे को क्या बोलते हैं कश्मीरी में?
Vohorvod.
Vohorvod. Yes, Vohorvod. Now there is one. आजकल जो हम सब कश्मीरी क्या करते हैं, हम लोग वो बर्थडे भी मनाते हैं और वोहरवोद भी मनाते हैं। Now what is the difference between the two is? हाँ जी बेटा, बोलिए सांची। हाँ वने बेटा।
वोहरवोद।
हाँ आस्था, थैंक यू। हाँ बोलो सांची, बोलो।
हमारा इन असि नॉर्मल इंग्लिश बर्थडे मंथ तो सारे छुपाए क्या क्या छु सेलिब्रेट करान, केक छु चटान, तो भाई गिफ्ट छु मेलान, लेकिन इन वोहरवोद अस छु पूजा करून।
पूजा करान।
जेन्यू वनान कहत छालोन एमएस तबई पूजा करून, तबई गणेश पूजा करान वो 10 months।
Ak चीज छु युजन कश्मीर, very good, very well said, but एक चीज कश्मीर पर युजन वोहरवोद मनावान सु छ आसान ल्यूनर कैलेंडर। युजन इस कश्मीर बट छ आसान तिम छ सारी ल्यूनर कैलेंडर फॉलो करान। युजन बाकी कैलेंडर छ आसान which is the normal calendar, which is the English calendar, that is when we say which is the English date of birth. Okay, so युजन वोहरवोद छ मनावान कश्मीर सारी, that we celebrate basically on the lunar calendar. Yem साधन इस जामत है स्टार्ट रहता है। Now if I go again, I will ask you in next time. We have learned months of the year. No, we have not learned so far. No, okay. When it comes, then this question I don't think I should ask you now. So if हम months बोलेंगे ना, तो that time you will remember how each month is named, and as per that month जो कश्मीरी कैलेंडर में कौन सा दिन रहता है तो उसके हिसाब से हमारा बर्थडे होता है. सो अगर आप सारे जितने भी कश्मीरी है, जनरली वी हैव अ हॉरोस्कोप जो हिंदी ल्यूनर कैलेंडर पर बेस्ड है. तो उसके हिसाब से हम लोग जो भी जिस दिन में हमारा उस महीने में जन्म हुआ होगा तो उस दिन हम वोहरोद मनाते हैं. ठीक है एवरीबॉडी? Now one final question before we close. वोहरोद कुछ शुर च मनावन या कुछ बोर्ड च मनावन?
मारा मैं सांची रहना.
Very good. Viha, you are also raising hand? Yes, very good. Who else? Adya, no? Viha is celebrating, Sanchi is celebrating. Now, Viha, Adya, what you need to do, you need to tell your dad and mom that next time you tell me when is my Vohrvot, okay? Okay, Adya?
Okay.
Okay, and you know there is a special puja. If your mom and don't remember that puja, it is available on the net also. And if somebody has a Kashmiri panchang, there is a complete puja given in that. So you can do that, and you can do that puja. It's very nice puja. Okay, so it is for we pray to God that you give us long life. Okay, in that puja. Okay.
Okay.
Question. Sir,
हाँ,
I want
बोलिए.
to ask you something that कश्मीरी पंचांग जो है वो बाकी पंचांग से अलग होता है या सेम रहता है?
नहीं, बेसिकली ल्यूनर बेस्ड है, ल्यूनर कैलेंडर बेस्ड है. थोड़ा सा फर्क है बिकॉज वॉट एवर वी जनरली आपने देखा होगा कभी जैसे शिवरात्रि 14 को मनाते हैं हम लोग, 13 को मनाते हैं. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ डिफरेंस इज देयर, बट जनरली इट फॉलोज जनरली दैट कैलेंडर ओनली. बट इट इज बेटर दैट यू फॉलो. एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल टेल यू. जनरली हम लोग जो generally most of the people refer to one jantri panchang which is known as Vijayeshwar jantri. There are a lot of jantris available, but generally popular is that one. And Hanji बोले.
ना मारा मैं उस वनुन की जन्माष्टमी जो कोशिश पर जरमत सतम वनन ना
जन्नी सुगो तवे तुमचे अश मनावन जन्म जर्म सतम 8th चासा नेक्स्ट डे. तो जन्माष्टमी अष्टमी के दिन होती है, जन्म सतम चासा आख दो ब्रो. we observe fast on the day before when the Lord Krishna is supposed to be born. Next तो रात को तो शुतम तो जवान लोग च जन्माष्टमी मना के भगवान कृष्ण से गोमुत जन्म गोमुत टाइम पच तिम मनावन 12 बजे. सो तिम च मनावन भगवान कृष्ण आव जाव तो टाइम सतिन च करन तो जन्माष्टमी मनाते. अश मनावन कि we pray for God to come onto the earth. तो अभी से इस मनान जर्म सतम. ठीक है. विच यसान कि आज के बहुत हम हमारे सब रक्षा करे भगवान, तो वो धरती पर आ जाए तो तम खतर से पूजा करान तब से करान जर्म सतम. ओके ओके. Thank you and sorry for being a little late. My network was not working. I think it got disrupted once more. Sorry for that. So bless you all. See you next time. Namaskar. God bless you all. Okay. Bye. नमस्कार. बाइक बंद करो. नमस्कार. चना ठीक. नमस्कार. We do like this. नमस्कार.
नमस्कार
Bye. नमस्कार मारा.
मास्टर जी एक सवाल ओस.
हाँ वनी मर.
सोलकंदा च लूनकंदा मंस फरुक है.
फर्क क्या है? पंचम सोलकंदा लूनर फर्क से मंस क्या फर्क?
There's a lot of difference. It does not follow that calendar at all. What I will do, Shravan, that I do not know your mobile number or anything. What Sandeep ji, your dad can send me a message. You know my number. It is 999. If you can write down 999 80 11 597. Okay. What I will do is that I have learned this thing, so I can share with you. Okay, every month and corresponding very nearby, which is the English calendar month. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. God bless you, beta. Chalo, bye.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.